Hi, my name is Emily Harris, and I'm the Director of Marketing Operations here at Bandwango. At Bandwango, we're passionate about helping our clients connect with their local business partners. And while many of our clients consider their relationships with these partners to be of the highest importance, they may not always have the time to reach out to those partners and onboard them onto the Bandwango platform themselves. This is where our team comes in. Our interactions with the client's local businesses happen in two distinct phases: partner outreach and partner onboarding. In this video, I'll be addressing how these two phases work together to prepare our client for Passport launch. Many of our clients ask what their role is during the onboarding process. It's simple. Clients provide a list of all businesses they would like contacted in spreadsheet format. We ask that this list only contain the businesses that are an appropriate fit for the pass being created. Additionally, we ask that this list contain no more than 200 businesses. This maximum allows for our standard 3 to 5 week onboarding process. A larger list will result in longer onboarding times. On that list, clients are asked to provide business name, address, and contact information for a representative at that business. An email address is required for that contact, and a phone number is preferred, as Bandwango's community relations team does call businesses as part of the onboarding effort. Additionally, the client will be asked to send an introductory email to all of the merchants on the list provided. This email introduces Bandwango as the technology provider working on behalf of the client to build the pass, and also includes details about the pass initiative. Bandwango will provide a template email that the client can then customize. Once the client sends out this email, our community relations team will begin outreach and keep the client informed of progress throughout the onboarding process. For your local business partners, the onboarding process is very straightforward. After the client has introduced Bandwango, merchant onboarding begins. First, each merchant is sent a tokenized form via email where they can accept the invitation to participate in the campaign. This is a step-by-step look at the merchant onboarding form. Our form is able to identify businesses who have information present on Google. If a business does not appear in this dropdown, they can proceed by filling out this information manually. If their business is recognized on Google, they will simply fill out their business description and make sure the rest of their hours of operation, phone number, website, and address are pulling into the form correctly. Then, the business will select a category to appear in case the client in question wants to organize their pass in this way. Finally, depending on the redemption method, a merchant may be asked to choose their own PIN number. Here is an example of that question. Then, the merchant will click Next and load in photos that represent their business. Our cropper tool makes it easy for businesses to use any photo they'd like without having to worry about the dimensions our passports require. Next, if a passport is requiring an offer from a merchant, the merchant will be prompted to fill in information that describes their offer. We also make sure to ask if the merchant has any special instructions for the user to redeem their offer. The last step in completing the form is agreeing to several terms. These terms are simple and aim to protect the integrity of the passport and the merchant involved. Businesses can also mark that they are not interested in being included. Businesses who select this option will no longer be contacted by our team. Merchants will receive various emails and phone calls during the onboarding process from Bandwango's community relations team. After a merchant submits their completed form via Bandwango's platform, The contents of those forms are reviewed for quality assurance by Bandwango. Once approved, the merchant is sent an email with a mock-up of their business and offer as it will appear on the mobile pass. The business can approve their listing or contact the community relations team to request changes. Once approved, their listing is added to the mobile pass and will be available for use once the pass launches. When building a paid pass, merchants are still required to fill out their unique form, but they are also asked to perform an additional step as they sign up to participate. Paid pass merchant partners are asked to sign a merchant agreement that details pricing for their offer. The community relations team collects additional paperwork for processing payments to the merchants. Our goal at Bandwango is to connect communities to their local business partners. It's so important to us that all of our clients feel the merchant outreach and onboarding process goes smoothly. Regular check ins are scheduled during pass build for this reason. Clients can trust that their merchant relationships are in good hands.